might have to tie on the chatterbait. John, you gotta make it pop. You gotta jerk it hard. Wait, there's a fish biting mine. I got one. Bro, what? Jig. Oh! We use a jumper. John, you might want to use a Texas rig. That's close enough to a jig.
I lost the crawl. I didn't lose it. I tied it on to my friend Lucas, and he lost it.
Where were you guys even fishing at?
Camelot.
You were?
Dude, they're destroying the chatterbait. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna...
John, you should have came to Farm and Home with us so you could get some no fishing lures. Is this guy gonna release himself? I don't have any. I don't think. What? Oh my golf course.
Let's go golfing. Let's go golfing.
Good fish. Connected to trees like always. I've never snagged a chatterbait. I don't know how you do it. There's gotta be bass back here. I just caught one back here. Just go grab it.
Don't hit me.
Watch this amazing jigging action. Jump, jump. Okay, you ain't getting nothing. Grayson's coming.
He is.
My cutie Grayson. Yeah. Alright, just follow me around.
Get some action shots. Okay, so Josie, the exclusive content of our. All right. Get some iconic reeling action. Is that a new reel? Or is this just a different setup?
Different setup. I got my rod back. We're back, baby. Check out our video on me breaking the rod.
There's no video on it. It happened when we just drove up and he's like, it broke.
Yeah. Well, no, I gotta hit the camera. No, you gotta get the thing where you cast back, and the lure flings back into the camera.
You're selling the clip. Kate, you're selling the clip. We're on 2. This is the new Kate Felligan.
It's gone.
It's only got 2. Is the AliExpress rod with the Walmart reel top?
For the reel is so huge compared to the rod.
You're gonna hate it.
Oh my god! Oh!
And the green Mach 2.
Yep. I'm greened out.
I think he's a big fan of red.
Nah, I prefer blue. Is that another Proby one? Ow!
What is it? What's the name?
Titleist 1.
Hold up, guys. Let me tie the golf ball on.
Velocity. Oh shit! Oh my god! What just happened? That's a good one. Gosh. That's like a 3 or a 2. Probably a 2, 2.5.
Perfect cast.
That was a 2.5, bro. At least. One's got a turtle.
I caught a turtle.
Dude, I wish I was recording. I just started recording. Crap. He's
Grayson!
Here, wait. Cast it back out so we can do my video.
Oh no.
Always hooked inside the head.
Oh no.
Cast it back out so we can do my video.
We might have to cut off the text.
No, I got it.
You were not doing that, Charlie.
Bro,
Please
it's a
don't.
snapping turtle.
Grayson and I did this with an even bigger one.
Oh,
He's gonna eat the line.
He's already trying to snap at it.
Is that a sand?
Yes.
Bro, I caught it. I was like, holy shit, this thing is giant. I thought it was a fucking turtle.
How? No.
I got excited too. And
Dude, this guy looks scary. He looks mean.
I'm gonna try to save him.
Why is it always gotta be me, bro? It's gotta be me.
No, bro, I don't want to leave him
my
with
good
this.
Who cares? It's a snapping
That's
turtle.
my good plastic.
Dude, I don't.
It's your good plastic.
Don't
It's
matter,
the only
Charlie.
one I have that's good.
Charlie, you care about the turtle, but you don't care about getting hit in the head with a
Okay.
golf ball.
go
All right,
golfing.
How do we throw him?
grab the back of his shell. Grab the back
Don't
of
grab
him.
his tail. Is it like break his spines? Go away, buddy. leave him. No, leave him. Let him.
Don't matter. You're on? Bro, he's still there. Like, leave. Bro. Charlie, bro. Again. Get another snag count for Charlie.
That one. Oh, he feels good. He feels good.
That might be the one I got. Mine was like a 3 at least, the one I had. It was fat as hell.
I gotta get him away from the turtle. He's just still there. He's just swimming towards me.
No, I swear that's the exact one I had. No, mine was a little bit bigger, I think. No, wait, that's the exact one I caught. That's the exact same one. John, isn't that the exact same one that I just caught? It's like a 2.5.
No, that's a 2.